Yearly achievers this afternoon. How are you? You're fine. How do you feel? Not sure? Kindly show a gesture to express how you feel. Gesture using hands. Yeah, what is that? How many feels this way? What is the meaning of this?
Kung gusto yan sige, ilisan na yapel. Lisa, good, welcome.
Wow, for the first time.
Never see. Never see. Parang siya lang kayo never see.
Asaman. Ako yan. Ako yan. Hindi mo sumadap. Bahag.
Asha Manoharan, Sister Josephine Ibalier, our team of vibrant and faithful people.
625,000, loyal April Corsten. With an average of 92 and 125,000, Adolfo Alan James.
Something with Madam Akarayan, with Madam Magdasal to say something for the word immersion. Thank you, and please listen once more.
Mama Mary, Saint Francis of Assisi, and Mother Maria Louise the Minister, to walk in humility, serve others with kindness, and remain rooted in values that reflect your light. May their success
Victoria, you might just use one say we're on stage.